Okay, welcome to week 6 of government. So in order to do week 6 assignment, go to week 6 in your Blackboard. And week 6 is asking for you to take information you read from chapter 5. I also have little video clips here on the House and the Senate and how a bill becomes a law. And then I have your role of Congress in American society assignment. So that assignment, what you need to do is I provide for you a resource here that talks about many different types of legislation that affect our daily lives. And I want you to choose 3 examples of how congressional legislation affects your daily life and explain how and why you believe each of these has a significant impact on your daily life. So it should be 3 paragraphs long, 1 paragraph per each piece of legislation. So you should explain what the piece of legislation is, and then you need to go in depth about how it affects you personally or affects your daily life. So if you click on here, I have the role of Congress, and it talks about all these different acts that have been passed. So what I want you to do is be specific. So talk about a specific agricultural act that was passed. Talk about a specific art and cultural act that was passed. Talk about a specific automobile safety act that was passed. So for instance, here, talk about how the FAA affects your daily life, how air traffic safety, maybe if your dad or mom is in a job where they travel all the time, how this affects them personally on a daily basis. So you need to come up with 3 of them from this list and explain what they are and how they affect your life personally. So you'll type up 3 paragraphs, download it as a PDF, and then submit it to Blackboard. So remember, in order to submit, you click on where it's red in type, and then you click right here where it says attach. So don't do a write submission, don't do comment. You actually have to browse your computer and attach the file and click submit. Please let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully this video helped.